Those who aren't aware yet or haven't participated yet, we have a giveaway which is live on our channel. Do check the links in description to participate and win this amazing Bluetooth speaker.
सो हे गाइस व्हाट्सअप, दिस इज एसिल टेम्परा एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। और आज का वीडियो स्पेशल से भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पेशल है बिकॉज बिहाइंड मी व्हाट यू सी इज़ 1.6 crores on 4 wheels. Exactly guys, that's how expensive this beast is. So yeah, let's begin the video and I'll tell you all of it.
Yoxi. Yoxi.
So I'm sure you guys must have enjoyed the cinematics of this car. So this is the 2020 Audi Q8. Yes, Audi is how you pronounce it, or correct me if I'm wrong. So this is a massive looking car and I don't know if the camera is doing enough justice to it. There are 21-inch tires. It is one massive car. तो ये जो segment है, it is the coupe SUV segment and this is the flagship from Audi. Obviously it's the Q8 and man, this is one amazing beast. So जो underpinnings है गाड़ी के, all the chassis and everything, it is exactly as same as the Lamborghini Urus. And of course इसका भी sporty version है, that is the RS Q8. But this is just the regular Q8 and it has a 3-liter V6 engine with 340 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque. So we'll just hop inside and I'll show you all the electronic goods that this car comes with, all the features and everything, because Audi basically it's the most intelligent among the cars. So it is one amazing beast. Let's hop in. So here it is guys, the key to this beast. So let's now enter it. So obviously it has these sensors over here, so you just have to click them to unlock. Okay, so I actually locked it and the mirrors go inside, so that's how you unlock it. Alright guys, so we are inside the car now. I'll keep the keys over here and just look at the fit, finish and all the quality of this wonderful machine with a very huge screen. So yeah, it comes even ये भी इसका screen है. I'll just turn off the AC. Okay, yeah. So just enjoy this guys. Look at this wooden trim over here. All the piano black touches, screens, the traditional Audi knob obviously. So this is the top of the line car, and special thanks to Audi Mumbai and Burn Group from Vasai for this amazing opportunity. So you can also see the Q8 badge over here. And there are a host of features in this car, and मतलब single video में I definitely cannot get over it. So it obviously has to come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, all these things. But then here are the various settings for the ambient lighting and all this automatic climate control जो आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है. So 1, 2, 3 screens already. This is the knob, and here's some space for the cup holder and ashtray, cigarette lighter as well. Then you also get space over here. Not sure how you open it. Okay, yeah, there you go. So this also has wireless charging over here. Just look at the quality of it, guys. Like, wow. Has to be special, right? So now we'll hop in the back seats. So as you see, guys, it's quite spacious. I mean, obviously it has to be, and come with rear AC vents as well, and a massive sunroof. Let's see if I can try to open it. I'll try to open it. So this right here is the key for the sunroof, and look how it opens up, guys. So massive. And obviously you can come out of it the traditional way. That's what in India sunroof is used for. And a few controls are of course given up here, the lights and all. There's a mirror over here which also has a light. So yeah, that's how the interior of this beast is. And I'll just sit in the back seat now. Just look at this, guys. Wow, I just can't stop appreciating how amazing this looks, and the massive sunroof as well. Like, wow. And there's one more cool feature about this car which is behind, so I'll show it to you in a minute. So imagine that you're gone shopping and your hands are filled with stuff. So how would you open the boot? In a normal car, that's hectic, but here's how you can do it. So yes, guys, of course Audi is among the intelligent brands. तो basically if you guys must have noticed, जो भी basically ऐसे टेक में जो इंटरेस्टेड लोग हैं वो स्पेशली कभी भी ऑडी को ही प्रिफर करते हैं वो ऑल अदर कार्स, because Audi's technology is at an another level, and uska quattro system and all these things, like this is the keyword, this is the flagship, this is the latest obviously, but even their small cars come with this quattro system and this advanced driving mechanisms that make the driving experience really good. So of course it is German, it's a rival to another German brands like BMW and Mercedes, but personally Audi is like one of my favorites for the looks and the technology they offer. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel, because definitely much more interesting, informative and amazing content is coming your way. This is Asiltan Perra signing off.